Everybody, today is an unboxing video. So this is from GearHeart Industries, and this is a stamp that has my logo on it. It's custom made, and it's gonna use a torch to heat it up, and it's going to wood burn my logo, my stamp on my project. So I've got a few different pieces of wood here that I'm going to try out, see what the different effects are. I've got some black walnut. These are both black walnut, and some English walnut and a piece of cedar, and I may do something else. We'll see how it goes. So I'm really excited about this. Been waiting to get one of these for a long time. So let's open it up. All right. Read this. Read the rest of the instructions. They're in the box. We get it. You want to start burning stuff, but take 5 minutes and read the instruction sheet. So if you have questions, all right, read this. Okay, all right. I'm gonna read this stuff. Very well. Wow, very well made instructions right here. So let me read these. I'll get right back. So just follow the directions here, and I want to get this thing out of the box here. I'm really excited about this here. Here we go. Stop. This iron can be damaged from overheating. Do not leave it on a burner unattended. Ever make sure all users are aware of the risk of damage. Yes, thank you. Alright, here we go. Put the rubber band on here. Bubble wrap. We'll have fun with the bubble wrap later. Alright. Wow, look at that. That is quality right there. Wow. That is really good. Wow, this is all... Ha! There's my logo right there. That's awesome. Right. Get this off of here. Alright. And it's got a really nice handle. Their logo on there. This is a nice handle. This is really nice. This feels good. So, okay. Oh, and it came with the proof, so that's what they used. They used this to make that, so that's good. So that's what it should look like, hopefully on all of these. So, alright, get away all this flammable stuff here. Wow, this is really exciting. This is so cool. Okay, so here we go. I got a stopwatch set up here. Let's get this going. Okay, so going to time how long I have the heat on there. I'm guessing, like, they don't tell you exactly how long to put it on there, so with this being aluminum, it could take a minute or so. I don't know. I'm gonna try 60 seconds. Start with that and see where that goes. So, and start. It says to keep moving it around, so that's what I'm doing. The camera's picking this up. And I'll do it like this. Keep moving this around. So I should get a piece of in the middle here. I'll melt the camera. Okay, I'm gonna try the cedar first here. Alright, so 47 seconds, 50, 4, 59, 60. Okay, that's 1 minute. Alright, see what 1 minute does. Obviously, not enough. Okay, so let's keep this going. Okay, it's 2 minutes. Okay, now let's see what happens. Well, there it is. I think I could get it a little hotter. Alright, let me get this a little hotter. That's pretty cool. That's rad right there. That's so awesome to see. Alright, try this again. There we go. Ha! That's better. Alright, so I need to do a little, press a little harder. Which part? Craftsman. Alright, just a little harder over here. Try that. I got this side too. Could actually kind of feel it sink into the wood a little bit, so kind of liking that. So, alright. Alright, try this again. Nice. There we go. That's perfect. A little bit of sanding. Should be able to sand that flush right off of there, and that's going to be perfect. We'll try to hand sand that, see what that looks like. Okay, I want to try it on some walnut. This is English walnut. So let's try it on here. See what this looks like. Actually, my first project that I'm going to be using this on is actually English walnut, so I'd like to make sure I get this right. Okay, so here we go. Try this. Alright, maybe a little too much. Alright. Put it on this cardboard. Yep. Alright, see what it does to this black walnut. Do it. Smoothest part is right there. Well, that even looks good on black walnut. Try this one. This is kind of a bad piece, so definitely a scrap piece, so see what happens here. It's actually got stuff on it. Okay, here we go. Try this walnut. Not bad. Still read it. Still legible. It's good. Same thing with this one. That one's good. This one, real good. Can't just like set it down because it just brand anything. I'm really excited about this. This is really nice. It's looking really good right there. Set it on a piece of metal right there. Let's grab some 220 sandpaper here. That's beautiful. Just take the burn off. surface. I had to get the air compressor out. I have to do that. But that's great. That looks amazing. So, GearHeart Industries. That's who makes this stamp. So, you guys go over there and get one of these stamps because this is really nice and it was an affordable price. So, you really got to go over there and get one of these. I'm going to put the link to their company in the description in the video. So, head on over there and get yourself a stamp with your logo on it. It's a great price. This is really, really good quality here, so I'm really, really excited about this. And now I can put my logo on all the bottom of my projects now. So that's really, really, really exciting. So thank you all for watching, and thank you GearHeart for this product. Very well made product here. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.